Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on Patreon for beginners. In this video, we will talk about Patreon, its membership plans, and we will show you the sign up and account setup processes, and we will also do a walkthrough of the interface. We will also show you how to complete your Patreon profile and how to launch your profile. So make sure you're watching this video till the end. Let's begin with a short introduction to what Patreon is. As you can see, we are on the home page and we've got lots of creators' pictures moving around over here. Why? Because Patreon is nothing but a membership platform. So it provides business tools for content creators of all types so that they can run their own subscription service. With the help of Patreon, creators and artists can earn monthly income simply by providing rewards and perks to their subscribers. So now Patreon is used by all kinds of YouTubers like videographers, webcomic artists, or writers, or you can see over here there are so many people, podcasters, musicians, and so many other creators who are using Patreon on YouTube. What it does is it basically allows the artists to receive funding directly from their fans, or as they are also called on the platform, patrons. So as I said, this is the home page, and over here you can see that there are some popular content creators over here. Let me just take you through how it looks like on Patreon, like what exactly does a creator do on Patreon. So as you can see, we are on this profile Ghost Bear, and this particular content creator is providing its subscribers these three plans. And you can see that there are different levels. So what the subscribers or patrons need to do is regularly interact with the artist and gain perks or rewards, and then they can go up one level. So they will start from the basic level and then they can go up the levels as they wish to. Let's go and check out another profile similarly. Let's do this one. And as you can see, this particular content creator is providing these membership plans to their patrons or subscribers. So what the creators have is the freedom to choose what kind of subscription plans they need to give to their patrons and how much is it going to cost. So that is basically what you can do with this platform called Patreon. Now let's look at the pricing. For that, click on pricing at the top navigation bar, and you can see that these are the pricing plans on Patreon. So there are three plans. The first one is Lite, which offers simple tools, and 5% of your monthly income will go to Patreon. Then comes the Pro plan, in which the creators will give 8% of their monthly income that they earn on Patreon to the platform. And in this plan, you will get everything to run a successful business. Then comes the Premium plan, in which the creators will give 12% of their monthly income that they earn on Patreon to the platform. Now, if you go down, you can see that this is the processing fee, which is in dollars currently. And if you just click on this drop down, you can change the currency to know how much fee is it going to take. These are the payment methods accepted on this platform: Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express, and PayPal. Now, let's look at how you can sign up on this platform. For that, you simply need to click on this button, Create on Patreon, at the top right corner. This is the sign up page, and you can see that you've got the option to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or else you can simply use your email, which is what we're going to do. After entering your name, your email address, and password, click on the sign up button here. Next, you will need to give a name to your page. So just type in a name over here. Click over here and tick mark it if this applies to your content. If not, leave it as it is and then click the continue button. Now this will take you to your dashboard. Let's just move this out of the way and do a quick walkthrough of this interface. But before that, as you can see, you need to verify your email. So for that, just click on verify email at the top right corner and go to your email. So this is the email that you will get from Patreon, and all you need to do is hit this confirm email button over here. Now you can see your page on Patreon is not yet published, and we will go through that in some time, but clicking on that button will take you to this page where you can edit all your basic details. And you can add all these details to your page. Let's go ahead and do that. So what are you creating? Let's say beauty videos. You can add a profile picture over here for now. We are leaving it as it is. You can also add a cover photo. We're leaving it as it is. Just add a description over here. If you have an intro video, you can add the URL over here. And then there are social links. You can connect your social media profiles as well to your Patreon profile. And once everything is done, you can click this button that says Save Changes. On the left of this dashboard, you can see there are different tabs. We are currently on My Page, but if you click on My Page again, you will be taken to your page, which is not yet published. So you can have a look at it over here. And you can choose what to offer, create your first post. You've got all these options over here, which we will go through in a bit. Then comes the Patrons tab, which is basically information about all your followers. Next is the Insights tab, where you can see insights about your earnings from your membership plans. Then comes the Payouts page, where you can see how much you have earned, and if you want to withdraw, this is where you will need to come. Followed by that is the Messages tab, where you can have conversations with your patrons. Then comes the Notifications tab for all notifications. Finally, there is the Settings tab, where you can alter settings of your profile. And if you want to create anything on your page, you simply need to click this button over here. Below you will see your name, and this is your creator profile. You will also have another alternate profile, which is your patron profile. Now let's go to My Page and let's do some editing. So we have already created our name and an introduction, which is beauty videos. And let's see what are the benefits that we can give to our patrons. Let's just name it First Level right now. And we'll give it a monthly price of 10. And we can just say welcome to the team, welcome to the family, or something like that. You can add a cover image if you want. And then if you want to add benefits, you can add benefits over here by simply clicking this button. You can browse the benefits like this. Let's say add free content. That's the benefit they will get. And then there are also advanced settings over here. You can take a look at it and set it up according to your needs. And after everything is done, just click this save button. And you're done with setting up the membership. So the first level is done. And if you want to add tires, you will need to click this button called Add a Tire. So that's it about how to set up your benefits. Now, how to create a post. As you can see over here, there are various options. You can create a post via text, image, video, audio, poll, link, or even live stream. Let's just demonstrate for you how this is done. So just click on the option that you wish to, and then just write a message over here. You can add an attachment by clicking the upload link over here, and then also add tags. Then there are these options: who can see this post. You can click on public if you want everyone to see it, or patrons only, or select tire. Don't forget to add a title. So we've added a title, a description, and now let's publish. And once your post is done, it'll appear on your home tab, which is over here. So that is it about creating your posts. Now, how to publish your page? Well, you just need to click this button called Publish Page at the top right corner and add in your name. So add in your first name and then add in your last name. Click on the Continue button and it'll ask you to hit this button called Publish Now. And once you hit that button, your page will go live. As you can see over here, this is your Patreon link. You can simply copy it and put it in your social media pages. So that is it about how you can use Patreon. That brings this video to an end. We truly hope you've benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or any comments about this video, then let us know in the comments section. We will catch you in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.